Hello English 3 students, this is your first video for part 1, Academic Vocabulary Terms and Concepts for Native American Traditions and Creation Myths. This is also the first video for Unit 1, Part 1, Origins and Encounters, so this is the first unit. The purpose of this video is just to introduce your academic vocabulary terms for The World on the Turtle's Back, which is our first story that we're going to be reading. So let us begin. What you should be doing is, before we actually start, before I introduce the concepts, is have your academic vocabulary terms to notebook out and just be copying the terms down and their definitions. So again, I'm not explaining them. I'm just going to pronounce them, say the term, and then the definition, you copy it down. If I'm going too fast for you, you need to stop the video and go back. Let us begin. The first term is myth. It is a traditional story that is passed down through generations that explains why the world is the way it is. The second term is creation myth. It is a traditional story that is passed down through generations that explains how the universe, earth, and life began. And the third term is cause and effect relationship. In this term is when events in a story show a relationship in which one event directly brings about another event. As you can tell, the first two terms, myth and creation myth, have to do with genre or the type of story we're going to be reading. And cause and effect relationship is a reading of a literary analysis term that has to do with a reading skill. And cause and effect, this whole idea of events being related and cause and effect relationships and how they affect the creation myth that we're going to be reading. So without further ado, let us go ahead and pause the video and go back on it and copy down the terms if you have not done so and their definitions. In the next video, I'll be explaining these three terms in detail.